Meta Quest 2 is going up in price, and you love this thing, Meta Quest 2. It seemed kind of like a good deal for a while at the price it was at. It's probably getting closer to what I would expect an item like the technology like that to cost, but it's always hard to make the adjustment to a higher cost when you've gotten something for a certain price previously. But anyway, you can still buy it at its current price. It will go up $100 starting in August, and apparently there's stock at Best Buy, B&H, Walmart, Target. I think Amazon may have sold out. Price right now was $299 for the lower storage 128 and $399 for the 256 storage, and that'll be obviously going up to $399 and $499. So now the top tier Quest 2 will be $500, getting closer to that console territory. And I mean, we can speculate as to why. Obviously, a lot's been going on over there at Facebook. A lot's been going on over there at Meta. As far as pivoting, transitioning into this new company, this new entity, this new focus. I know initially the idea was, okay, since this is going to be the gateway into this metaverse, into this category of new products, we're going to give it to you as cheap as possible so more people adopt it.
And it worked. There's a lot of people who bought the Quest or Quest 2.
It worked good enough now that they can raise the price, or shareholders and board members sat around and said, why are we losing money on this headset?
Let's bump it up.
We're a little short on cash here.
Also inflation.
Like, how come Netflix can up their prices? How come Tesla can up their prices? We have one product that people like. Why can't we turn up the volume on that price tag? I don't know. But anyway, starting in August, you're going to pay more for it. So if you want one, probably better to get it sooner than later and save the $100. It's quite a significant increase, by the way. I should say that's not like $15. It's not like $20. You're going up $100, Will.
Yeah, it's a big jump.
It's a big jump. So